Hi, today's star of the shave is Ethos, Melange de Agrooms. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Today I'm doing the razor company Shave and Chat. And today the star of the shave is Melange de Agrooms. I apologize for butchering the name, but I'm still learning how to talk. No, I'm just joking. It's just a hard name to pronounce because it sounds so classy and elegant. Okay, let's get to the rest of my lineup. I'm going to use today a Boar Tatara brush, my trusty TRC lather bowl. Look at this lather, beautiful. And, I get to finally use this. A gem shovel head razor. Look, it opens differently than most gems. It opens from the top to the back, you see? And I'm using a gem coated blade. Oh man. Oh, of course my bougie sprayer. I almost have everything matching, the pink offsets the red. Yeah! Oh man. I've been looking forward to doing this shave. I'm on 5 days growth. I'm usually a daily shaver. I attest to it. I promise. I'm keeping it 100. But things happen and life pops up and I could finally have a nice shave. And this is my first time using the Ethos product. Woo! I'm so happy. Yeah! Yeah! Wild up. Okay. Let me not... My neighbors hear me like, what's he? Oh, it's just Jason. I never used the Ethos product. This is my first Ethos. This is like my first time. Oh my god, I smell the grapefruit. Mainly the grapefruit and a little lavender. I could be wrong, my scent palette is still growing. Oh my god, look at this lather. Oh, so how's everyone doing? Oh man. Okay, let's stick to the theme. It's a shave and a chat. Meaning, I'm gonna shave the main thing, and I'm also gonna have a little chat with people. Please respond in the comments. What do you like to shave and chat about? Please educate me, so then I could be more informed and be more helpful. Yeah. Look. Oh man, I'm so hyped up. I'm so happy to use this. Also, it's my first time using a shovel head gem, and from my understanding, it's a pretty much medium to aggressive. But I have to use it for myself. Okay. The first lather. The first pass. Here it goes. Oh, I'm so excited. I finally found this in a reasonable price. Yeah, a lot of blade feel. Oh wow, it really demolished 5 days growth with no problem. Oh man, I'm so happy to get to use this Ethos finally. Because I always wanted the Ethos, always wanted it, but it's hard to get. No, let me take that back. It's hard for me to get. Yeah, a lot of blade feel. This is very aggressive. Now, what I usually do, I'm going to give you a little educational stuff now. I usually ride the cap. Because when you go off the cap, it gets more aggressive. So if you have a chance to use this shovel head, ride the cap. Or with ladder catchers, technically speaking, they don't have no caps on it. Ride the blade. Oh man, second pass. Here I come. Oh man. I'm gonna put some more. Look. I'm not gonna be cheap with this lather. Oh man. In the comments below, let me know like what soaps or what shaving products are you eager to try for the first time. I don't know, with me, I feel like that little 6-year-old kid waiting up all night for Christmas. But instead of me waiting up all night for Christmas, I'm waiting up all night for my hair to grow back. I know it sounds weird, but my personal point of view is like, every wet shaver has that little kid waiting for that next day, a birthday or a big trip. Oh man, that's how I feel. Let me do my second pass. And remember, people, under my throat, I don't talk. I gotta come up with a better expression. Wow. This is really doing... It's earning its money. Yeah. Kudos, Ethos. Yeah. Oh, this, I love this. This gem, shovelhead. I think it's a shovelhead ever ready. People, comment below. When I do these videos, I want as many people to comment, say what you want. Hey, let's have a conversation going, okay? And I'll do my best to respond to it. Wow. I love this. So besides wet shaving, what things that you look forward to that, like sometimes you can't sleep at night until the next morning, until that event happens? Tell me. I want to know in the comments. Comment. Woo! Yeah. Oh. Yes, as you can tell, I have a lot of energy. Oh, my third pass coming up. Oh, man. I'm so happy I can't wait to use the splash or skin food. Third pass coming up. Oh, man. Oh. This is so good. Ooh. Oh, man. Oh. Sloppy Jason. No. Silly Jason. Yeah, silly. Hyper Jason, more like it. Yeah. Woohoo. Don't worry, the windows are closed. Oh, man. Oh, this is a beautiful lather. And, oh, the scent. Ethos, you make some good soaps. Okay, third pass. Coming through. Got a little too much on my hand. You know, get excited. I do this, for me, against the grain, yeah. Oh, almost had a mishap. Wow. Is there anything beyond BBS? Because I'm getting that. Oh, man, that magical shave. First time using the soap. First time using the razor. But not the blade. It's like the synergy. Everything's coming together. Woo! Oh. Oh, man. Like I always say, I feel like I had a couple of shots of espresso. I got a little pep in my step. Yeah. Tell me, people, tell me how you feel after you have that shave, especially that magical one. I can't contain myself. God, this is beautiful. Yeah, this falls under aggressive razor. I'm curious, how does my modified one blade, will it tame it a little more? Or is it the exposure and the angle that's gonna still make it aggressive but not as aggressive? I will find out in the future. I feel like a new person. Okay, let's get to cleaning it up. Oh man, I am so happy. This shave, Jason, happy person. Happy, happy, happy. Happy, happy. Yeah. Oh man, no stings, no stings, no zings, no bings. Bada bing, boom. Yeah. There's a happy guy. Happy go lucky. Oh my god. I wish there was a way you could feel my face. I'm gonna make sure. Very good lather, very good slickness. Oh man. Making sure I'm clean. So fresh and so clean. Hey, nobody's I'm fresh, so fresh, so fresh and so clean. Do elevator music. Oh, now I'm gonna try the skin food. Yeah. Chicka chicka choo. Ooh. I love the restrictor. I'm gonna treat myself with some extra skin food. It's a splash. Splish splash, I had a great shave. Oh my god. My earpiece fell. Oh. I'll be 2 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. I'm back. Oh. People, this was a great shave. I am so blessed. Today I used, let me rinse it out. I want to show you a clean razor. Today I used a gem shovel head razor with a gem coated blade, and it opens from the back. You see? And it closes like that. I used a Tatara Boar brush because, like I always say, once you go Boar, you want to use it more. And it's never a bore. And I used my beautiful TRC, the Razor Company lather ball. And of course my bougie sprayer. And the star of the shave, Ethos Melange de Agrumes. I have to read it because I can't remember it. Melange de Agrumes. Wow. For all your wet shaving and personal hygiene needs, please go to therazorcompany.com. Also, if you want to see some 4 great people talk about wet shaving, food, just breaking chops and having a great time, Saturdays, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, go to, on Instagram, The Razor Company Live. That's where they do the lives. They have a second page, just The Razor Company. And, hey, you'll see some great products and pictures of great products. Also, thank you for sticking to the end. And if you have any suggestions for any products you would like me to use or try, let me know. I'm eager to try. If I can get it, great. If I can't, still great. Again, thank you so much, and have a blessed time of your life. Bye.